Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've worked hard to reduce your bad cholesterol or LDL, congratulations. That's already a big victory for your heart health. But what's next? Lowering LDL is just the beginning. In today's video, we'll explore the 5 most important steps you should focus on after reducing bad cholesterol, and I'll also share 2 easy daily drink recipes to boost your health naturally. Step 1. Protect your arteries. Even with lower cholesterol, plaque may still be inside your arteries. The good news is, you can stabilize or even reduce it. Eat a heart-healthy diet. Mediterranean or DASH diets full of vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, and omega-3 fish like salmon. Exercise regularly. At least 150 minutes per week of walking, cycling, or swimming. Avoid triggers. No smoking, manage blood pressure, and reduce stress. Think of this step as keeping your arteries clean and flexible. Step 2. Boost good cholesterol HDL and lower triglycerides. HDL is the good cholesterol that sweeps away the bad. To raise HDL and lower triglycerides, add olive oil, avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, and nuts. Eat more fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, and leafy greens. Snack smarter. Hummus with veggies, overnight oats with berries, or chia pudding. These small changes will balance your cholesterol naturally. Step 3. Walking, the secret medicine. Walking just 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week can lower LDL, raise HDL, reduce triglycerides, control weight naturally. Walking is free, simple, and powerful, so step into better health today. Step 4. Adopt the TLC lifestyle. TLC equals therapeutic lifestyle changes, a doctor-recommended plan. Diet. Limit saturated fats, eat more plants, use healthy oils. Activity. Move every day, even light workouts count. Weight. Losing just 5% of your body weight helps cholesterol. Support. Share goals with family, track progress, and stay consistent. TLC isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle for life. Step 5. Know when to see a doctor. Test your cholesterol regularly. If lifestyle isn't enough, medications like statins may be recommended. Remember, lifestyle's medical care, best protection for your heart. Healthy drink recipes. Drink 1. Green cholesterol detox juice. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, a handful of spinach or kale, half a lemon, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. How to make. 1. Wash all ingredients well. 2. Blend cucumber, apple, and spinach with 1 cup of water. 3. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice. 4. Stir in chia seeds and let sit for 5 minutes before drinking. Benefits: rich in fiber, helps sweep cholesterol from the body. Vitamin C and antioxidants fight artery inflammation. Chia seeds add omega-3 for better HDL levels. Best time to drink: morning on an empty stomach. Drink 2. Golden Heart Turmeric Ginger Tea. Ingredients: 1 cup hot water, half teaspoon turmeric powder or fresh turmeric, half teaspoon grated ginger, a squeeze of lemon, 1 teaspoon honey optional. How to make. 1. Add turmeric and ginger to hot water. 2. Let it steep for 5 minutes. 3. Add lemon juice and honey before drinking. Benefits: anti-inflammatory, keeps arteries flexible and reduces plaque risk. Boosts immunity and digestion. Lemon enhances vitamin C absorption, while honey soothes the stomach. Best time to drink: evening or before bed. Closing. So, after lowering bad cholesterol, your next steps are: protect your arteries, boost your HDL, walk daily, follow the TLC lifestyle. Stay connected with your doctor and add these 2 daily healthy drinks to your routine. Remember, health is not just about numbers. It's about energy, happiness, and enjoying life every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.